Just got into the office. Oh my god. Pretty much just only woke up. So there's that. If I cough a lot in the stream, it's not my problem. Hi everyone. Okay, should be working now.
Pushing a new build?
Yes. I'm gonna push a new build. Watch me break the game. I need to go on TeamSpeak. So, gonna be showing off a little bit of new stuff today.
Channel switched.
I'm gonna try not to cough too much, but I make no promises. So I need to push a new build and then we can play. Yeah, so there's new faces in. At the moment they don't have a lot of animation, I think just blinking. So Peter did some really cool new faces and Scott put them in game. And we also have the new terrain that Simon did with some help from Kevin and Joel.
User joined your channel.
Although everybody's in TeamSpeak with me as well. Hi everyone. Mason.
You're welcome.
J-Rod. Item Muffin. Not entirely sure whether not entirely sure whether the particle effect is working properly. Can you guys see, is the stream working alright? Let me try this. Oh yeah, it is. Oh man, I need to sort my life out. Yeah, so we'll be showing off those. I don't think I can load the previous level, unfortunately, because we completely changed how voxel items worked, so yeah, it's a bit of a problem. Is Mason still alive?
Yes.
Yeah.
You've been up all night, haven't you?
No, I took it out.
Mm-hmm.
Hello.
Hello.
What's the rubbish in the middle of the...
Oh, you didn't bring Luna.
No, let's do that.
Sorry. Thanks, guys.
Simon and Zia just turned up. Yeah. Simon, do you know if the particles are working okay at the moment? Or should I disable them? Simon says they're working. Simon says. Get it? Simon says. So yeah, I worked on a Logic motherboard. It's not all fully implemented yet. It was a lot more work than I expected. Because it's like 3 levels of serialization. I have to serialize it for the screen, I have to serialize it for the load save, and I have to serialize it for multiplayer. But yeah. Oh, so that's not actually the game. That's I just put an interesting background. I'm just rebuilding the game at the moment, so the background looks as it does. Yeah, so a pretty good week really. Still a lot of people sick with whatever this illness is,
User left your channel.
and sick in the head. So, now it is time for me
User
to
joined
build
your
it.
channel.
What did you play, Mason? Overnight?
Battlegrounds.
Battlegrounds. With Pony.
Yeah. I think you're supposed to say more like battle, like bad. Never mind.
You need to sleep. So, as well, yeah, that's right, we got new starter stuff in. Oh, and I did actually change how, while I was preparing to do the logic computer, I redid a lot how the consoles work so that they're less maddening to deal with, so you can filter them and stuff like that. So I think that will help a lot. So yeah, when I started down the track of doing the logic computer, I realized there was a whole bunch of other stuff that I had to tidy up as well. So there was that. And I'm building the game. So yeah, we still don't have a fixed release date. Just as we fix stuff and get stuff ready, we'll decide when that is. Oh, and I did tidy up the conveyor belts too. That's right. So we can show those off.
User joined your channel.
Simon, I can't load old saves, can I?
No.
Cool.
You can load them, but they won't do any through.
Gotcha. Yeah. So we changed how the voxels work. So
User joined your channel.
so I'll just
User was moved to your
start a
channel.
new one. I won't spend a lot of time building and doing all the stuff that I did before. I'll do new stuff. The hell? Did I push the button twice? I think I did. Yeah, so while we're waiting, I'll look through any questions people have. New character model looks a lot like me. Yeah, it does, although maybe I just look very generic. Perhaps just very generic. I'll see if I can find a screenshot of them. Actually, while the build's going up, I can probably chuck it up in Unity and show some of the stuff. And yeah, also Sean did some work on coming up with a tooltip, which I haven't got fully implemented yet as well, but basically to give you more information as you're building stuff as to what it can do. So yeah, the early access period, what we're looking at doing is at least weekly updates. So we'll probably have access to a maybe even nightly build that you'll have to access using Steam's branch system, and you'll have to enter a password for that. So to get access to it, like the Project Zomboid guys do. And then, so that will probably be nightly. So at the moment we have an automated build process that deploys it and stuff like that. So we'll have our build system deploy it very regularly. But we'll try and maintain one very stable version of the game that will only push updates to when we're sure they're ready. It just means that people who really like trying out the new content are going to be able to, but the people who just want to play the most stable version of the game can. there's been a few games that have done a pretty good job of doing that. So that's the current plan. Also got in a new light, which is pretty cool. So right now, I'll just quickly, while we're waiting for the game to boot up, to build, I'll show the work that I've been doing on the Logic computer once Unity decides to work. How do we set up the networking? So we're using sort of a mixture of the high level and low level API with Unity at the moment. For a lot of stuff, we're writing our own network messages and things like that. A good example would be for the voxel terrain updates. So someone just asked a question about how the game's multiplayer compensates for someone who has bad internet. So we're not, lag isn't massively noticeable in the game. Oh, look at that. We got error. Probably me. Yep, it's me. It's me, everybody. I broke the build. Dean broke the build. You guys can watch me fix it. So, I've been working on these Logic motherboards once I find them in the list. The purpose of these is to give you the ability to basically program things to happen in an automated fashion. And a lot of people had asked for the ability to like write code in that, but my feeling with Space Engineers, it tends to take you really out of the game. It's sort of fun to have simple tools to allow you to do automation without having lots of different like stuff that takes you out of the game. I will just turn on Visual Studio. So what I'm going to do is, so this is a Logic motherboard, and I think somewhere here I have an item motherboard. So basically I'm caching off a whole bunch of logic states and then allowing you to move through them in the Logic motherboard. But that's weird. .306. Huh. Okay. Yep. My bad. Look at that. I can just take that one. I can just plop that there. Nice. Yeah. So that was a bit. I'll just commit that, and then we'll be ready to go. Yeah, so the idea is, and basically once I committed this, here we go. I'll load in my previous save. Man, my whole computer's running really slow today. I blame J-Rod.
Sorry.
Actually, I blame Unity. Oh, we've got the weird stuff at the edge of the screen again. Oh. Oh, probably because I changed the game scene while we were loading. So, let's close that. I'm running this on NVIDIA. Someone asked what the specs were. I did not make everyone sick either. It was people who made me sick. So, so yeah. So this is an example of the Logic computer. So if I just delete these previous ones here. So the idea is you can make states and conditions. So I can make a condition in here. You can see it's plugged into a bunch of stuff. At the moment I've got it so the computer functions without power because I was just testing. But basically I could select any of these devices around. I could say if the pressure equals, and then I could enter in a new value, 120. Just sort of mashing the keyboard. So I could have multiple conditions. And then I could say what actions I want to have in, and I haven't populated that bit yet. But basically, it allows you to have automated systems that control everything and do all the stuff that we want as well. So, now, I double check. Oh, we've still got an error. Oh my god. I don't think I pulled in the update. Yeah, so so that's been a big change there. You can also see the status indicators in the top right. So the new work that's been done with that. So they're a lot simpler, take up a lot less real estate, and just look a lot better than they did before. There we go. Now it's building. Yeah, so the logic computer I see, that the basic use case that I'm dealing with at the moment is to get it so that we can make an automated smelter. So at the moment we have a smelter machine, and I'll plop that in. Item kit processor. I can't even remember what it's called, it's been so long. So this machine is going to get replaced, but basically it's an ore processor. So you chuck the ore in there, it goes into the machine, and whatever gets processed comes in out there. But this is actually going to be replaced because we felt like this was taking it a little bit out of the game. This will be what your manufacturing machines look like. Oh, I just took my suit off. Whoops. Yeah, this will be what your manufacturing machines look like, where you'll actually build a room and you'll set the room on fire, and that'll be how you smelt stuff. We just thought that was more enjoyable, more interesting. And it's building, yay! Yeah, so the new UI looks really, really good. Close that. You can also see how the new voxels look for the asteroids. I haven't actually shown asteroids in a while. So there's several ways you can start the game up. You can start up on a planet, or you can start on an asteroid. And it looks really good. I'm going to try mining something. I've been playing a lot of Space Engineers, and I'm so used to the Space Engineers keys. So yeah, unfortunately, because we changed the whole way these were stored, it breaks the previous saves. So I can't start up from the last save. Got some interesting formations going on there. But you get, oh, it's because it was a little like cavity. So you get lots of cool cavities and stuff in there now, which is pretty awesome. With the player model, so we've tried to keep it very simple. So the characters, we use the same rig and the same everything for first person that we do for everyone else. We also don't pin the camera to the head exactly, because otherwise you get this happening. So the whole aim of the project is to try to keep it as simple as possible. Really, really, really simple. Oh man, I got a problem. That's white. I think. There we go. Yeah. More bugs. Where are we? So one thing that we're looking at doing with the pockets of pockets in the asteroids and on the planet is actually putting highly pressurized gases in them and giving you some indication that you're near a gas pocket, so that then you actually build infrastructure around it. Whoops, I will have broken everything by doing that. Yeah, so that you so that then you have to mine out what is in there. Excuse me. Someone on the subreddit had asked a lot of questions about how electricity functions. So our electricity functions on watts at the moment, and I think I've covered it briefly in some of the previous streams, but we're still missing fuses. We're missing basically how to electronic failures. So if you have too much voltage going through a particular area, it will break everything, stuff like that. So yeah, so we've still got a wee bit of work to do on those areas, but yeah, it's going to be pretty cool once we get them in. But all in all, we also fixed quite a few bugs. Definitely the new voxel terrain looks awesome. Looks really, really cool. And I think once the logic computer gets in, that'll make a big difference. Another new item that I put in, not fully completed yet. Item kit Cryo-Tube. So we started putting stuff in like the Cryo-Tubes for medical stuff and things like that. So I can open the door and close the door, and so you can actually fill it up with water, and I'm going to just magic it. Magic it. By magic filling it up with water. Although, it's not displaying the water. There we go. So yeah, so the idea is, I mean, actually open the door, it won't do anything yet at the moment, but but the idea is that yeah, you have a cool cryotube to heal people. So that'll allow you to be able to plug that into a computer to clone people, combined with a body scanner, which we've also done. The Atmos line is actually at the back, so we have the Atmos tube at the back here, and the power and the data at the front. So that will allow you to grow organs, to clone people, all sorts of stuff like that. And that's yeah. So it's not fully implemented yet. I basically got a wee way on it, and I really decided we really needed these logic computers. So you can see we've redone the old computer looked very different from this too. And if you take the motherboard, you can put the motherboard in and out there, and that's where you throw it. Well, liquids and Atmos is the same for us. They're pumped via the same thing, so the way we'll probably see it working, Region's been doing a bunch of work on it, but basically we're coming up with a system of elements and stuff like that, water and all that kind of stuff.
Region doesn't work.
That's right, he doesn't.
Just wanted to make that clear.
Ugh. Oh, cough and splutter. What do I want to do? Oh, I wanted to do New World. Just while we're waiting for the build. It's building. No, it's not.
Did he not come in today?
No, I don't think he did. Man. I don't even understand this.
Picture him waiting at Steph's house, just looking at his phone. Dean message, unread.
No. Mason. Ah! Stop. Stop! Stop! I keep having build errors that I'm secretly fixing while I'm trying to talk about it. It's all my work as well. Basically, this damn logic motherboard has been the bane of my existence. So let me start that up again. So I also added, Peter had done a portable light thing. We want a light source that you don't have to use road flares. Although road flares are awesome, we didn't want them just entirely all the time. So you can see the terrain looks much smoother and much cooler now. We've cut the size down until we do spawning, streaming. So the size is much smaller than previously. Oh man, it's really dark here. It's really dark here, but that's why we have this dynamic light. Dynamic light. Oh man, I can't see anything. Gotta look down. So I can fold this guy up. Actually, I'm gonna chuck my battery in it. So I'm gonna get my drill, chuck it on the ground, grab my battery, put the battery in it. What? My battery's dead. Someone done changed that. Oh. And then that's how you turn it on. If it had a battery, then it would work. But yeah, that's the portable light. And that took me like very little time to make, which is pretty cool. Sort of gives you an idea of how quickly we can actually add stuff. And the answer is very quickly to the game, which I think I'd showed in one of the earliest streams actually, is how easy it was to do all that. I'm going to log into Steam and deploy it. Oh, I need to check questions. Oh, I should probably start tweeting out soon as well. Yeah, so I don't, item RTG. If I drop this down, it needs to be mounted on something. Item steel frame. Item steel frame. So the new voxel stuff works in. Oh god, I just took off my thing. Item battery charger. Chuck this bad boy down. Item cable coil. Item, gee, that was really fast. Oh, because that outputs so much power. Something weird's going on. Yeah, that was a bit strange. That was a bit different. Let me just check over here that we haven't accidentally increased the electricity tick rate. That would be funny if we had. No, still half a second. I don't know whether I'd ever showed this stuff before actually, some of this sort of debug stuff that we've got. We've got lots of debug stuff. You can see here in the terrain how all the voxels look. Oh, and we can do this and we can see pockets. Like this bit. Ooh, spooky. Yeah, so once we get the terrain system fully how we want, we'll be able to have really huge terrains, and they're a lot smoother and a lot more interesting than we had before. I can also paint this, so item spray can green, item spray can orange. orange, you're glad you're orange. I do that joke every time. So most of the stuff in the game you can actually spray paint as well. If I can pick it up. There we go. Spray paint this and spray paint that. Everything's orange. Oh my god. So. Yay, it's deploying. So the rocks that that you would have seen there are the little pieces of ore and stuff like that. We're not really sure what we're going to do at the edge of the world yet. We might do it arc style, where we just sort of stop you before you get to the very edge. Certainly the worlds are going to be huge. They're going to be much bigger than they are. We've just got to figure out how we stream the terrain in. Oh, this generation looks awesome. So that last one I didn't get a crevasse, but this one I did. So item road flare. Item road flare. Item road flare. Thank you. Shut up, Mason. Nobody cares. Oh, we're still missing that. God damn it, I thought, oh my god, is this a little cave thing? It's a little cave thing. I'm saving this. I'm gonna call it Cave World. Yeah, I'm gonna fix it now. So basically, someone broke the road flare a long time ago. And it's still broken. So let's fix this. I think it was one of these. Oh my god. We have to turn this on so we can see it. Probably that? Why are there two? There's one called Flare Fire. Oh my god, this is a nightmare. There are two materials. Good enough. Someone else can fix it up later. And the game's deployed, yay! Oh wait, no it's not. I don't want to accidentally release the game. That would be funny. But you can't do that too easy in Steam, thankfully. Man, they've changed their website. Every week they change it. I'm ready, Simon. Okay, I'm going to post the version number in Discord. I'm going to close Unity down. Oh, I didn't want to click save, but oh well. And I'm going to update my Steam. So for people who are interested in the game, the best thing to do is probably to follow it on the Steam store, and then you'll get a notification when it releases.
User disconnected from your channel.
No, we're not playing Space Engineers today, although Space Engineers is very beautiful. We've been playing quite a lot of Space Engineers with the recent update.
User joined your channel.
Do you want to plug the Discord in case people are really interested in following?
Yeah, I think I've got it on my. I've actually got it on my Twitch page. Like, wow. So there, I'm plugging the Discord. So you can join the Discord and discuss about things. And this is the subreddit. And the Steam store page to like and subscribe. Was that one? I think I just validated. I think I correctly validated it. 2571. 2571. Dum. Let me just check. 2571. Yes. Oh, we could start with Cave World. Let's start with Cave World. Ooh. Oh, I got a suit error. Oh, suit leak. So yeah, the terrains look really cool with these crevasses and all that kind of stuff. So what I actually want to do while everyone's joining in, and then we can see the helmets and stuff like that. Item steel frame. Item steel frame. You guys can get the latest version too if you want to join. 2571. Dynamic crate building supplies. So I wanted to actually show off how the conveyors work because they're pretty cool. So I'm just going to build a platform. You guys make it in to the game okay? Heaps of people joined at once. Oh my god, it's the new head! Oh, it looks so cool. I need to fix up the helmet a little bit, but looks awesome. And he's blink! I just saw him blink! Look kind of like sort of just emotionless at the moment. Just like, why are you guys all leaning over? Scott. I blame Scott for that. Oh, me back!
Oh, Scott.
Me back's really sore! Oh, look at me back, everybody! Yeah, they're not animating. You're animating though, J-Rod. No,
So
Simon.
screen,
No.
everything's normal.
No one's
I'd be
no one's
everyone's
animating. What I'll try doing is I'll try save the world and then reload it, so everyone's shut down completely. You have to shut
Set to
down.
desktop and relaunch.
And like and subscribe. Yeah, scoliosis. That was scoliosis edition. Nothing funny about scoliosis. Although in this context it was funny. Oh, you guys can join TeamSpeak as well if you want. Where's my... I need lozenges. I have allergies. Okay.
What about now? Oh, yeah.
What about now, Simon? Okay, scoliosis is not happening now. Y'all can join. We can get lots of those little bugs. I still haven't fixed that. Yay! Everyone's actually moving around now. And you all look so cute. Whip, whip, whip. Oh, I need to repair my thing. So what I wanted to do here was build item kit conveyor. Item kit conveyor. So let's build a little conveyor here. At the moment they don't need power because it was just a pain for testing. So
User was moved to your channel.
let's make a little loop-de-loop. Someone done broke. Someone probably doesn't have all the terrain updates now. So we need to basically add in some like method to basically queue in the updates for people. Item kit sorter. Item kit conveyor sorter. I don't even know whether this works. It's been ages since.
I used Space Engineer's rotation buttons.
Yeah, I did too, and it ruins your UI. I didn't do it this time, but all during testing I was. We need more item muffins. We do actually need more item muffins. Okay, I need to have chat up so I can hear what people are saying. So we did make the heads deliberately bigger than a lot of stuff. The body is actually going to be redone as well, I think. Well, body or the uniform at least anyway. Item steel sheets. Oh, we don't need steel sheets. Let's do this, and let's do that. And then let's make it make jumpy jumps. Item kit conveyor. Yeah. And we need to really be able to access it. So let's do this. Let's do that. And then let's reverse it here. And whoa, someone just bounced me. So I actually need to rip up this guy here. Oh, gosh damn it. Something broke with those things, with the battery chargers. I don't know why. Item battery charger. I think I broke it, actually. I think I know how I broke it too. Item RTG. Item cable coil. I basically tried to merge two systems together, and I think when I did that, I sort of broke the batteries a bit. So I don't actually think they have much charge in them now either. So it's probably like only do one. Oh no, still right.
I think I randomly ragdolled.
Someone might have ragdolled you.
Oh.
It's what all the kids do these days.
Yeah, that was Scott.
So he fixed up ragdoll now. Oh, someone's stuck. Someone's got scoliosis again. Commander Animus. I wonder if Scott knows what that is.
Demonstrating bad lifting practices.
Wait, does he have scoliosis still? No, these guys do though. Yeah. Oh, so let's just get that off there. So now we can see whether this works. What should we put on here? Books. Oh, and I have a Item duct tape. A pretty badly damaged suit, so I should probably fix that up. Maybe not show people all the broken stuff. So let's do eggs are always funny. Item egg. Oh, that's right. We don't let you directly spawn eggs now. Item heal pill. Item heal pill. Let's put heaps of these on. Let's really get lots of pills going. It's like a big farmer, but not. So, oh, I may be breaking things here. Something's breaking a little bit.
I think stuff is breaking.
Is anyone getting any errors?
No errors, but I can't mine anything.
Yeah, I can't move stuff in my inventory. Can't pick things up.
Might just
Oh,
take a little bit to
fixed.
catch up.
Yep.
It might have been the sorter, possibly.
Yeah, looks like it's caught up now.
I'm just going to remove this. It might have been because I just spawned too many pills. Don't do drugs, kids. Don't do drugs. Let's just place this stuff back. Hopefully. Whoops. So yeah, we are going to have we're going to have waste disposal pipes, just like in Space Station 13 as well, in addition to these. Yeah, so the belt, what is it? UVs aren't quite configured perfectly with the speed at which items are moving. But yeah, so we see, we've got at the moment the sorter just splits it like that, but we see that expanding quite a bit in the future as well. I'm gonna put something like flour going along it so people can see.
Don't worry, I'm eating all the pills.
Mason's taken one for the team. What's this? What's this? Oh yeah, security camera. Get some Z fighting on it though. Oh my god, I'm on TV, Mom. Hi everybody. Salute. Oh, I like how salute is put your hand in your mouth. Who's that? Oh my god, we're on TV, everybody. Oh yeah, I put an effect over the camera. I forgot, that's why it looks sort of weird. Hi, hi. So I like how the stream is just a random collection of stuff now. There was something else I wanted to show off. Oh, the new console changes. So actually, I should show how you can use it on a conveyor. So, item kit console. No, item console. Item console. Let's do it where we've got more room.
User disconnected from your channel.
Let's do it here. Oh no, we've already got power thing here, so we'll throw it in here. Let's put it right here. Whoops. Put a couple of them down. Need a Oh yeah, so we got new particles. They look awesome. The helmet's kind of screwed up. Scott should note that down. When I look down, my I think because we're moving the head independently, I can't see. So what do I want? Dynamic light.
Was moved to your channel.
Dynamic light. Oh, and you can actually pick it up and drag it around if I do this. Oh, yep.
I think the reason you can't look down is there might be invisible voxels where you're looking, and it's making you look up. But if you mine them away,
No, it even does it. Even does it here. I think it's as we've changed the IK to eyes.
maybe yeah.
So now maybe I can see a bit better. Item. Oh, actually, I want my battery back. Item battery cell. No, that's another dynamic light. Item battery cell. Whoa. Item battery cell. Yeah. So I'm going to grab one of these from my So item cable coil. Item cable coil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect these up. And I'm going to connect one of these conveyors. I'm going to turn it round and I'm going to do some shenanigans with it just because it's fun. So I'm going to do that. So this is starting to show, and you'll see how this will play into how the automation will work later on with that logic computer. So I'm going to do this, and actually I don't know whether these connect up, but circuit board mode control. And they're going to turn on. Huh. Okay. I disconnected the power. That was real smart. Real smart. And thanks for noticing, stream. Not. Oh, someone might have. There we go. So, item steel sheets. So, where is my data disk? Here we go. Item data disk. Get out of my way. Oh, it's kind of big. So I'm going to put this on here. Whoops. Okay, so you can't see, these are little icons, they obviously didn't make it into the build. But this one goes, these ones go up and down, and this one enters a filter. So I can now filter for conveyor, and it gives me a conveyor here. So I want to connect this up to the conveyor. So that's what I've done there, and I can clear the filter. Now everyone else will be able to see this as well, which is quite important. So it means that other people. So now I can actually toggle this. And I can actually control that there using the mode control, which is pretty cool. So basically everything that has a mode can be toggled using stuff like this. So I don't think any of those other things have a mode. But we could add a sensor, a motion sensor, and we could actually change it based on motion sensing and stuff like that as well. But yeah, so that filtration system and the method of controlling it here helps a lot when you have lots of items and stuff like that. Someone's lungs are like stuck. Did someone go through that? No. Let's see what everyone's building. This looks like some frames. Ooh. What the hell? Okay, that's freaky. What are all these? Portable generators. Someone really wants power.
Just charging some batteries.
Just casually. Just some casual battery charging. Whoa.
Oh, I can see my face on the security camera.
You're so beautiful, Simon. So yeah, the new voxels look
Thanks,
awesome. I should probably tweet out, shouldn't I? I keep forgetting to tweet out. I should say that. So we got 9 people on the server at the moment. Yeah, I think Peter did a really good job of the new, what are these? Character faces. Oh, the other thing you can do with the doors, if I'm going to close this person's door.
Monster.
And item labeler. Entry, whoops, door. So it changes the text on it, which is pretty cool. Oh, I got a damn hole in my suit. Item, oh, here we go. There's duct tape. Let's grab that. So my temperature's actually was getting higher in my suit. Oh, but now it's fixed. That's good. Let's walk around. Oh, it's dawn. The sun's coming up. So beautiful. See everyone working away, doing their things. Let's get rid of the UI. Water should work now as well. Actually, it will evaporate, but if I spawn enough of it, it should fill an area up. Let's just try it out. I haven't tried this out. Dynamic gas canister water. I have no idea what this is going to do. Yeah, so it's evaporating too fast. We're going to change that for planets, but yeah, basically it's just
User disconnected from your channel.
evaporating too quickly. So what we want to do is release it inside a room. Oh man, these don't fit through. They're too fat. It's daytime, everyone. What about this person's room? is this? They don't have scoliosis, that's good. I suppose I could build a room. Yeah, I'll just build a room. Can someone dig like a hole here? Yeah. Yeah. Get. Go on. Get. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is perfect. Item steel frames. Item kit airlock. Item steel frames.
User was moved to your channel.
Item kit wall. Item steel sheets. I'm not sure whether this will, this might not be enclosed enough. We had a bug with the voxels, but maybe it's working now. And dynamic canister air. Let's just see if it pressurizes. Looks like it's pressurizing. Oh, Simon, that new voxel stuff's awesome, isn't it? So previously it didn't line up properly with the rest of the terrain, but now it does, which is really awesome.
I just noticed that you can see ores, but
Item
I don't
duct
think any
tape.
of the clients can.
Right. There's a lot of ore down here. I'm gonna fix Scotty up. He's leaking. Oh, he keeps moving. So dynamic canister, dynamic gas canister water. Dynamic gas canister water. So let us try releasing some water.
User disconnected from
Yay,
your channel.
water everyone.
User left your channel.
I don't think there's that much water in here. Is there? Yeah. We are releasing some water. I think. I don't think it's leaking out, is it? It might still be leaking somewhere. What if I try turning this off? Just seeing if it leaks. Yeah, I don't know whether we are... I don't know whether we've created a room here. We might still have some bugs with the voxel system. Could be that, actually. The open atmosphere could be connecting thing. Oh, whoops, sorry. I just broke something.
User joined your channel.
Yeah, it looks like there was a weird hole. Nothing that a good fart doesn't fix. Item gas canister water. So now if I try opening this, item steel sheets. Yeah, so it's allowing the when you have frames like this, it's actually allowing. I think it's allowing the. We're losing water, sadly. Oh, you get the idea.
User disconnected from your channel.
Water goes up, water goes down. Water goes up, water goes down. Oh, I thought I was on fire for a second.
User
Oh, we
joined
can
your
look at the
channel.
helmet. Oh, look at the head. So cool. So cool. Yeah, it's probably leaking. It looks like it's leaking through the floor, maybe. Yeah, so we need to do a bit of work on that. See what everyone else has done. Oh, that looks like a bit of a bug. But you get the idea with the water there. That's pretty cool. 22? Oh, someone probably fell off the edge of the world. Let's go have a look around what's going on. In this room. Oh, my battery's nearly out of batteriness.
Hello.
Hello! Whoa, this is a lot of pressure in here. Oh, and like one square and then not in others? No? Am I going crazy?
Yeah, I think atmospheric is being weird. Because
Okay.
it's a ghetto airlock and I don't get launched out when I
We
cycle.
might have broken it. I just restarted the atmospheric manager, so it may not. Yeah, no, there's no atmosphere in this square. But there's lots of atmosphere in this square.
But you won't hear me.
So yeah, I think there's, I think Atmos
Yeah, we
is
can
broken.
hear you, Sam, right.
We can save and reload. Someone's hot micing me.
Z.
We were just having problems with their microphone. Sorted it out now.
Cool. I might
One
just,
thing we did.
you're quite loud. I might just save it and reload it.
User left your channel. Microphone User was moved out of your channel. Microphone activated.
Here we go. Save. And reload. So yeah, when we did the new voxel system, it sort of completely changed the way a lot of the room generation stuff works. Did you look at that at all, Simon? Room generation?
It won't generate on creation, but it will. I did create a room by boxing or something.
Okay. So it does work. Just want to see if this is still broken. Yeah, it's still broken here. Either it thinks this is a separate room. This one little corner there. But we'll try doing this. Wow, no, it seems like Atmospherics is just broken. Or maybe it's just that door? Weird. Oh well, we'll look at it. Other Atmospherics seems fine. What about if I fart here? Let's see what happens. Yeah, no. That works. Hey? So yeah, so it might just be the door, the composite door. Maybe I just need to fix that. Maybe we broke that somehow. So yeah, that's been the progress of Stationeers. I think the new character looks super cool. Oh wow, there's actually someone in there. Hi. Oh, he's repairing my suit. Yay. What's going on over here? That looks... Oh, nice! Chocolate. Wow. Oh, I thought that guy didn't have a head, but he was just leaning over. Oh. I want to fall off the edge of the world. I'll have some chocolate.
Yeah, dude.
Hell yes.
It's the one you recommended me to buy.
And is it good chocolate?
Yeah, I liked it.
Mmm. What? What is it?
That moves you like,
Oh, I'm okay.
you good?
Mmm. I did show off the computers, but I'll chuck it in again, because before it was in the editor. Item kit computer. I'm gonna look like I've got poo on my teeth.
User joined your channel.
Item muffin.
Whatever. Long cable. So yeah, I really want to get this logic computer done because I think it's gonna mean that you can build some really cool devices to do stuff.
I can't wait for it.
Motherboard logic. So basically I can make a new state and then I can add conditions to the state. So I might say I want the battery charger or something. At the moment, you know, those are I've only got the two things there, but basically you could say, you know, maybe that's a pressure sensor. What the hell? Those caps are a little too big. Man, I need some more of that chocolate. Hook me up.
User joined your channel.
Okay. This is breakfast.
It's all of it.
Mm-hmm. You know, if pressure is not equal, I probably want to do equal and greater than 101. Then do something, and then, you know, go to another state and stuff like that. So I could make multiple states here. And have multiple conditions. But it's not actually finished yet. But it'll allow you to do lots of cool stuff. He died as he lived.
That little cave room I built is almost 700 degrees. I think Scott's trying to save Z right now.
Yeah. Why is it so warm?
Oh. And I ruined everything.
Whoa. Commander Animus tried to join. But it broke. I can't wait till we get the big terrains in, because it's going to be awesome to have these huge crevasses and stuff. Let's go have a look at the super warm room. There's something... Now it's really cold. It says it's cold to me.
It was almost 700 degrees.
Is it working for you? It looks like it just started working. We've got like a black hole of air somewhere. It says it's like 22 degrees for me. But yeah, no, there's something really weird going on with the atmospherics. I don't know.
Yeah.
These things can't really get through the conveyor. Do 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 do. Who is that? That's Mason. Wait, are you inside something, Mason?
No, I'm outside right now.
Oh.
Kind of dying, trying to fix myself.
Mason with just pills all around him.
Yeah, because I'm blind. So.
I have a problem, dude. Oh, we talked about this.
Yeah, so we've absolutely got some issues. There's something weird going on with the atmospheres now, probably with the new voxels, I think, maybe. We could try draining the atmosphere inside.
Just crowbar open the window. Like nailed you right in the head.
Yep. Well, that's one way to clean the room up. They're panicking. Item glass sheets. Item glass sheets. should probably... There we go. What the heck? What the heck is that?
What's happening in there?
I don't even know. I'm so confused!
One guy hitting a pickaxe with a roll of tape, and one other guy flailing with laser beams.
Well, that was weird. Someone needs to fix the welder, I think.
Sorry, that would be me.
No, I mean the model. Does it look weird for you? Big tank?
It doesn't look too crazy. It's hard to tell.
It might be because of that the thing.
Oh yeah, that's really huge. Jesus.
So we have some network buffering issues, which is causing the other thing. Oh gosh, I'm having a problem here. Item duct tape. I might just make a post. Cool. Yeah, so we've got some network issues there. Someone's trying to join and the server's running out of ability to send them the updates. Is this... What the heck is up here? Someone's trying to make like traffic disco lights or something. Ooh, pretty. Oh, it's getting really hot. I think my waist suit. No. Oh, I'm running.
The waste tank.
Yeah. Item gas canister oxygen. There we go.
I love the new mining way. So much.
Yeah, I should probably show that.
It just works better.
Sparkle. Whoops, I don't want to do that. Pretty. I wonder how the atmosphere is in this now. At least we got all the rubbish outside. Yeah, I think actually the bug is with these doors. I just don't think I have the doors set to allow air to travel between them. I think that's the problem. Otherwise I think it's okay in here. This looks like it's pressurized. Can take my helmet off.
The bug.
Turn off my lamp. Yes, it's like it's created a little room. Although it looks like that's fixed now. Must have just been a bug from before. Who's that? Scott. Some shenanigans is going on there. Yeah, so it looks like the atmosphere's okay now. Weird. I just think I've done something weird with doors. Oh gosh, I don't have my helmet on. It's anarchy out here. Anarchy, I tell you. So yeah, that's pretty much it, I think, for new stuff for this week. So we're hoping to get more stuff sorted on the Logic computer. Obviously fix up the bugs with the terrain and stuff like that for next week. So we'll see everybody at the same time next week. Goodbye, everybody. Oh my god, I fell in the hole. Whoa. Goodbye.
Bye.
Oh, have you got a cough now as well? Or were you putting that on?
No, Ali, no. My boat didn't like me doing very light voices.
Right, how do I stop my stream?